As you can see, system's running, it's working good. I'm gonna blow it apart for you and show you what I had to do on the inside. I'll move you over to the top of the table. Alright, I am back in the site, the original build. This is my desk. I'm gonna open this thing up and show you how I managed some cables and how I mounted some things. And I'll tell you about my original plan for the hard drive and what didn't work for me, and now what I had to do to make it work. As you can see, I have this side carriage installed. I removed it early on in the build, but it was necessary in order to mount my 2 terabyte hard drive, which is actually a 3.5 inch drive. It's been a while since I've been in here even, and I can see some dust and things forming, so maybe now's the time to clean it out. But I'm gonna pull this carriage off and fold it out of the way so you can see what else I did in there. Okay. This thing actually slides out. Jeez, it has been a while. I'll set it right there, but I've got a couple cables to power the drive and to send data to my motherboard. As you can also see, I have a bunch of stuff wadded up in here. This area, I originally planned on putting this drive in, which is where the slim disk drive would go. I figured, oh, I'd have a bunch of room, but that was not the case. I probably took out a half-hour of footage just dinking around with that. I elected to put it on this side carriage, and fortunately for me, with this thing on, it still fits right over top of my CPU cooler with no clearance issues at all. There's actually quite a bit of room in here, being a small case. I would definitely use it again. The only thing I think I would change about my build is I would probably use a smaller 2.5 inch drive, because there's a slot on the back side of the case to mount one, and then I could get rid of this whole carriage deal. And I think I would use a modular power supply, because there is a lot of cables in there and it was not easy to manage them, but they're all black and they all go inside and the sides go on the case, and you never even think about it while you're sitting there using your computer. You can see all my zip ties and things, just using stuff to keep the cables out of the way and keep air moving freely throughout the case, and I have no thermal issues. I play Warzone on this thing, and I just edited all these YouTube videos, and some people have issues with airflow and these feet on the bottom of the case. I just put them on and I never had to deal with anything besides that. The case has been good. I haven't seen any crazy high temps on any of my components. And that's that. I'll put it back together and I'll show you just how fast it boots up. Everything else is on. We just need to hit that button. We wait. Got my post. here it is. It's as fast as it goes. That's about it. I can't think of anything else to show you right now. If you got any questions, leave a comment.